Hello, Catmates! The appointment of Bishop Medifil Billones as the 14th Bishop of Haro marks a historic and joyous homecoming. With his new role comes a new coat of arms, rich in history, devotion, and symbolism. But what do these symbols mean? Why are they important? Let us explore the deep significance behind the coat of arms of Archbishop Dodong Billones and its connection to his faith, mission, and identity. This is Father RJ of J. Scott, and welcome as we continue to simplify catechesis by making it cat short. The coat of arms is a heraldic emblem that represents the mission and spiritual identity of a bishop or archbishop. It follows the traditions of the church, using symbols that reflect faith, service, and the bishop's relationship with the people of God. The coat of arms of an archbishop typically combines two key elements. Number one, the coat of arms of the archdiocese, representing the local church he leads. And second, the bishop's personal coat of arms, reflecting his journey, faith, and pastoral mission. First, on the left side of the coat of arms in your perspective, you will see the restored coat of arms of the Archdiocese of Haro. This restored coat of arms of the Archdiocese of Haro appears quite different from what we commonly use. This coat of arms of Haro dates back to the design originally conceptualized by Archbishop Mariano A. Madriaga in the year 1957. It was first used by the late Archbishop Jose Maria Cuenco, the first Archbishop of Haro. The symbols within this emblem are deeply tied to the patroness of the Archdiocese, Saint Elizabeth of Hungary. The key elements of the Archdiocesan coat of arms are the following. First, the black eagle, taken from the coat of arms of Saint Elizabeth of Hungary's noble family, the Landgraves of Thuringia. This eagle represents strength, courage, and magnanimity. It also signifies the noble spirit of the church in Haro. The three red roses, a tribute to the famous miracle of Saint Elizabeth, where the bread she carried for the poor transformed into roses. This symbolizes charity, love, and self-giving. The coconut palm and the green knoll, representing Haro itself. The coconut palm o ang niyog signifies growth, resilience, and the rich spiritual heritage of the region. Kung inyo matalupangdan sa orihinal nga coat of arms sa Archdiocese of Haro, wala ang tanda sang tubig kag sang adlaw sa likod sang puno sang niyog. Now we take a look at the right side of the coat of arms, which bears the revised personal coat of arms of Archbishop Medifil Billones. This emblem tells the story of our new Archbishop's faith, journey, his mission, and his devotion to Christ and the Church. The tierce mantle, or the chape pueye, is a significant feature. The red portion represents Señor Santo Niño de Cebu, the beloved child Jesus, whom the Archbishop deeply reveres. It also acknowledges his ministry as an auxiliary bishop of Cebu from the year 2019 to the year 2025 at present, and his role as the rector of the National Shrine of Saint Joseph in Mandaue City, Cebu. The color red symbolizes love and courage, virtues that have guided his ministry. On the reverse side of the mantle, we see a representation of Mount Carmel, signifying Archbishop Billones' devotion to Our Lady of Mount Carmel. This also honors the presence of the Carmelite monastery in Haro, which played an important role in his spiritual formation. Aton man makita ang isa ka bilog nga rosa, signifying Saint Elizabeth of Hungary. This connects Archbishop Billones to the rich history of Haro and his predecessors, including Bishop Mariano Cuartero, the first bishop of Haro. The rose also represents the Holy Rosary, linking him to the Dominican order and their Marian devotion. Another key symbol is the 5 loaves of bread and 2 fishes, recalling the miracle of Jesus feeding the multitude. John chapter 6, verses 5 to 14. This reflects the Archbishop's calling to provide spiritual nourishment, particularly for the poor and the marginalized. The loaves and the fishes also symbolize his birthplace, Panay in Capiz, a land known for its abundance, and reference the island's historical name, Panay, meaning there is bread. Highlighted in the coat of arms is the motto of our dear new Archbishop, Domine tu omiasi, to connuses quia amute. Lord, you know everything. You know that I love you. This Latin phrase comes from John chapter 21, verse 15, where Jesus asked Peter, Peter, do you love me? And Peter replies, Lord, you know everything. You know that I love you. This signifies Archbishop Billones' deep commitment to his vocation as a shepherd of the church. At the top of the shield, we see the IHS emblem within a radiant sun, a symbol adopted from Pope Francis' coat of arms. This acknowledges the Pope's trust in appointing him as bishop and now as archbishop. It also represents his academic formation at the Pontifical Gregorian University in Rome and the Jesuit institutions where he studied theology. Every bishop's coat of arms includes the Roman Galero, a ceremonial hat with tassels. For an archbishop, it is green with 20 tassels, arranged in 4 rows. Above the shield, the patriarchal cross signifies the office of a metropolitan archbishop, confirming his authority over the Archdiocese of Haro and its suffragan dioceses. As Archbishop Medifil Billones assumes his role as the 7th Metropolitan Archbishop of Haro, his coat of arms stands as a testament to his faith, mission, and love for the Church. It is not merely an emblem, it is a declaration of his commitment to serve, to lead, and to love. Just as Christ asked Peter, Peter, do you love me? And like Peter, he responds, Lord, you know everything. you know that I love you. This is Father RJ from JSCAT, and together as one local church of Haro, we welcome Bishop Dodong. Kilitanay naman kita on our next episodes as we continue to simplify catechesis by making it cat short.